What is up? What's going on, everybody? And welcome back to another fishing episode. I'm Rob. That's my buddy Jim.
What's up?
And we're out here at Weber Dam, guys. We're launching above Weber, and we're gonna go upriver and see if we can hook up with maybe a bass, pike, walleye. There's salmon in here too right now, so you never know. That might happen. I don't know, guys. We have no idea, but we're ready to get fishing. So enough of the chit chat. Let's hit the water. Buddy's just chilling. He don't even care. Alright, man. Nice bass, so. Man, it feels good to. Well, we've been catching largies, but.
Old one.
Yeah, he's been caught before. And that's cool. Heck yeah. Not a massive fish, guys, but he is cold. Super cold fish, but got one. Yeah, guys. Catching him. So that was on the spinnerbait. Alright, Betty. Oh, she took off quick though, like she was like they're moving or something. No, you're fine. You're fine. I'm trying to see too, because I can't. I swear it didn't fall in the water. We would have heard it fucking blue.
Oh, I think I see.
Don't be afraid, Jim. You pull it in there. Mega bass did. Look how big that spinner is.
Yeah, that's a good size spinner.
Heck yeah, fish number 2. Another bass. His line on him is hard.
Yeah, check his tongue. If there's like a dark patch of teeth on it, it might be a spinner.
That's good. Heck yeah. He's a nice little fatty.
Yeah.
Not a huge fish, guys, but we got another one. Heck yeah. Awesome. Sweet, buddy. Get back. I love fishing. I love bass fishing. How did we find one of those out of nowhere? That was probably mine from the last one. Get him, Jim. I'm an angler, so you got this whole. Oh.
Monster, Rob! Monster! We're down!
He's hooked up. No, whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch which way you fling that son of a bitch. That squirrel's giving you shit, Jim.
Yeah. That's what they do. Drag your ass to the boat, too.
He's laughing.
Oh, let me get my other rod with it. Oh, we got a
Oh, jeez. Oh, my gut's hurting, dude. Oh,
I got the reel. Shit. There we go.
I swear, if it's not Jim doing it, then I'm doing it. And if I'm not doing it, then Jim. You little red squirrel.
No way. We're good. Only a small amount. Chill, bub.
Heck yeah. Smalley. Finally. We were just talking about that, guys.
Yeah. Not a giant, but at least I'm not skunked.
Heck yeah. Good job, Jim. Dude. Sweet. That red.
Yeah.
Got it. I feel like the jig is down. Yay! I got a smalley with Jim. Calm down, boy. That was like the third cast on the jig, guys, and got him. Cool. Heck yeah, guys. Red eye smalley.
Yeah.
See, buddy? Oh, he splashed me right in the eye, too. That was cool.
Other than that, I think we caught maybe one or two down there. There we go. Same thing.
Good one?
Yeah. Oh, don't baby. Chill, bub.
Heck yeah. Smalley and a largie, Jim. Heck yeah.
Not a giant. Are you excited?
And that's how you do it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Try the phone. Take them under.
No. Can't be that big.
But it's a bit bigger.
So did I. Oh, another smalley, guys. Chatterbait. Fuck. Barely got him. Thank you. I'll do a selfie so you can take a picture.
Sure.
Alright guys, smalley back. So what happened, guys? If you can't hear, this older gentleman was fishing this spot. We kicked him out of this spot, and Jim catches his fish. He's pissed. He started his motor up and took off. Oh my God. He got pissed, dude. He fucking started that fucking motor up.
Oh. It's like he was watching us when we caught it and started it up.
Oh, little skip. Ouch. Skippy. Oh. Don't go down there, bud. You won't ever come back, man. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good. I was dodging it.
Fuck, he's shad. This is big.
About the size of bullheads we use.
I don't know, guys. This is pretty much how today's went for me and Jim. It's his birthday. We're gonna make a full video out of it at this point. Jim stealing that man's fish. He's pissed. I never seen Jim get down on somebody like that. Well, Jim did today. He said it's my birthday. Look, everybody. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys.
But I'm not.
Jim obviously isn't, though. That's obvious. He stole that man's smallmouth. That was the darkest smallmouth we caught all day. He didn't. But I knew it was coming. I fucking felt it. I'm like, either we're gonna catch a hog or fucking something's gonna happen. Is that a sheep?
Yeah.